Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday to each and every one of you. I hope your week is going well, but I wanted to bring a story to you that Kanye West, he was actually on the Timcast IRL, and he states that the IRS put a $75 million hold on four of his accounts because he owes $50 million in taxes. Now, my advice to ye, Kanye, you might want to swiftly send that check because the interest does not stop when there is an outstanding tax bill due. Now, he was actually, talking about his financial situation during a Monday night episode of the right wing podcast, Timcast IRL, that also featured the white nationalist Nick Fuentes and the alt right figure Milo Yiannopoulos. Now, speaking to the host, Tim Pool, Ye said his finance people told him he would have to pay a lot of taxes. Now, Kanye, they probably are telling you the truth. You might want to believe them and really look into it yourself. Nothing wrong with knowing about your own personal business, even though you may have some folks looking out for you or working for you that's supposed to be taking care of these things. But you might want to look into it and pick up that phone number and contact the IRS. It's not that hard, Kanye. What is it? 800-829-1040? What's the number? You might want to look it up and call them and check it out for yourself. It's always good so you know exactly what's going on with your finances. Because, see, when you leave your finances in the hands of other folks, you might wind up in the situation that you in right now. Now, he says, I'm talking about literally finding out that they were trying to put me in prison this morning. The rapper said, adding, but I found out. Okay. So they froze. They put a 75 million hold on four of my accounts. And then they said, you owe a lot of taxes. Took me like 6 hours to find out how much a lot was. They said, well, around $50 million. Well, let me stop right here again. Kanye, Wesley Snipes went to prison, and there's some other folks out there that went to prison too for not paying their taxes. Don't you like your freedom? I like my freedom. So, Kanye, you can also set up a payment plan. Bro, if you didn't know, I'm letting you know, okay? Now, anyway, he said he was obviously not the most financially literate person on the planet and added that he went to the different CFOs, chief financial officers, involved in his business to find out if not paying taxes would be tax evasion. Well, Kanye, yes, not paying your taxes is tax evasion, okay? And you might want to become financially literate. It's not that hard, bro. It's not that hard. With all the money that you have, or used to have, or you still have some of your money, I believe, guess what? It's not that hard to become financially literate. Now, you can also take some financially literate classes to learn about your business. There is something called what? You can go on, what's it called? Score? They can help you out, bro, with your businesses, okay? Now, so he says, so now I get to actually learn how to run a company. I get to learn how to, to count really. Ye said of his finances added, it's like I didn't even know where to put the money. Well, there's a lot of folks could have told you where to put that money. Maybe in the hands of some other small business, like some donations there. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, Kanye, honestly, bro, on another note, it is always good to know and become financially literate and know where your money is going because you never know what's going to happen out here. It's always good to know your business. But he also later walked off from in a huff. He was in a huff when Poole questioned an anti-Semitic comment he made. The rapper said he was trying to buy his own bank and wondered aloud if he could run for president from jail. Ye said last week that he was running for president again after a failed bid in 2020. He has not filed the paperwork to do so. Now, at one point during the podcast, the rapper said that God was breaking me down by removing his riches, but that his children would be fine because his baby mama, and he referred to his, ex-wife, former wife, Kim Kardashian, baby mama has money. Now, you might be on to something, Kanye, when you say God is breaking you down. Because, see, sometimes God has to break us down to build us back up the correct way. You know what I'm saying? And so Ye has been a source of controversy of late. Everybody know, that he's been a controversy of sorts, lately, and particularly after he went on several anti-Semitic rants in October. Now, brands including Adidas and Balenciaga cut ties with Ye. Forbes estimated in late October that Ye's net worth was $400 million, down from about $1.5 billion. Ye claimed last week that Adidas, which ended its partnership with him on October 25th, was suing him for $270 million. Adidas declined to comment on Ye's claims. When contacted by Insider, an IRS representative said, federal law prohibits the IRS from commenting on or confirming anything related to private taxpayers' matters. Now, whoever contacted, well, they said it was someone from the Insider. Well, the Insider, that's still his business. Whether he's a public figure or not, his tax information is his business. Unless you have any business to contact on his behalf, you shouldn't have made that move. Whoever you were from the Insider, because that's none of your business. If he wants to share his business, he has a right to do so. But you, whoever you are, calling the federal government, the IRS, and asking them about someone's tax bill, man, come on, stop with that nonsense. That's uncalled for. That's some tacky business there. But anyway, this is what we got out here, and he said that Kim Kardashian has money to take care of his kids if he can't take care of them. So I don't know what y'all think on that, because he just was Kim was just awarded 200K, 200K. You know what I'm saying? $200,000. What is it? Let me see. Now, let me stand corrected. 200K, as I was correct, not 200,000, but 200. Is it $200,000 or 200K? Whatever it is, she was just awarded that kind of money every month. Now, I could have been wrong with the 200,000, but is it 200K, which is 200,000? I stand corrected on that. But $200,000 a month to take care of those 4 children. So Kanye, you may be on to something, bro, but I tell you one thing: when it rains, it pours, right? And what else is out there? Because sometimes things come in threes, right? So you got on the IRS. Wait, hold on. Let's go back. Your stuff was pulled from Adidas, okay? That happened. Stuff was cut, Balenciaga, all that stuff. And then let me see. Now the IRS, you owe the IRS money, and then you just now you owe your ex-wife child support or whatever that is. So Kanye, it comes in threes, bro. So maybe God is really trying to tell you something. So I would suggest, though, really handling your IRS bill first. Kim might give you some leniency on the child support, since she really got her own thing going on financially. And, she might not be hurting for any money right now. And she also has a family, with some money. Her mom will help her out. She's been supportive, So you might want to pay that IRS bill, that's what you might want to do first. But anyway, you guys, leave your comments below. Thank you all for tuning in. And then just let me know what you think about Kanye. What should he do first? Should he handle his tax bill first, or should he pay his child support, that money he just have, in that divorce settlement? What do you think he should do first? Leave your comments below. Don't forget, to thank you for tuning in. Leave your comments below. Like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all to my new subscribers. Please leave your respectful comments below. And copyright disclaimer: under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute and might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit educational personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's StandupBcounted. And if you want to support the channel, you're more than welcome to. And check out my OitsSharine Jewelry on Instagram. God bless you all. Thank you again for your support of the channel. Bye-bye.